Alright, single box. BBC, we going Sizzler. Good luck. Second one in a row. This one's already... Oh, that must have been when I cut the case open. So. Good luck, Joe. Thanks again, man, for talking me into this. Good luck to you as well. Appreciate it. Non-fatty. No 180s again. First up, we got Earl Campbell, Legend 24 of 50. Earl Campbell. Yeah, see, Ball and CP knows. Ball and CP knows about splitting. Wow. Oh man, we've had some bad luck with that. Wes Welker base, 74.99. Ball and CP and I have split, what did we split, man? We split that box of 07 Exquisite. Split a division in NT, so that was I don't know, that's several. It's a lot of money. We've probably gotten back, what did we get back, like 20 bucks maybe? Now we got Mike Gillislee. Leather signatures, 1 of 10. Had to be Gillislee, huh? Had a laundry tag of him the other night in a break. Normally would have been excited, but it was Gillislee. Alright, we got a Ravens quad, 84.99. Flacco, Rice, Torrey, Jacoby. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. There's still time. Yeah, it's always fun, Chris. Our luck hasn't been good as all. Still fun though. Justin Hunter, 63.99. Ball hole jersey. Colossal Prime, 20 of 25, Pro Bowl, Russell Okung, Seahawks, 3-color. Jawan Jameson, rookie auto, 26 of 49, gold. Jawan Jameson. Man, we need some better luck here. DJ Fluker. Chargers, 98 of 99. Are you serious? You gotta be kidding me. Mike Gillislee. Thanks a lot, Joe. 59 to 99. 2 Gillislees. Wow. Nasty. Our last card is 8 of 25 Tavon, black short print. NFL Gear 3-piece. Tavon, all 1 colors. I'm just messing with you, Joe. No problem, man. That is it, man. That was our best card, I guess, huh? That Tavon. By far. What was our second best card? I couldn't even tell you. I have no idea what our second best was. Yeah, man. Hey. Had some decent cards, just the wrong players on them. Alright, Joe. Thanks again, man.